Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy wings in Terraria. Wings are a fantastic accessory that provide flight, significantly enhancing your movement and exploration capabilities across your world. Obtaining them early in your adventure is quite achievable, often requiring materials you'll encounter naturally. We'll cover the essential components and the crafting process, making sure you can soar through the skies in no time. To craft your first set of wings, you'll need two primary ingredients. First, you'll want to gather 10 feathers which are dropped by harpies. These bird-like creatures are found in the space layer, high above your world. Second, you'll need 20 souls of flight, an item dropped by wyverns, which also inhabit the space layer. Be prepared for a bit of a challenge, but the reward is well worth it. Once you have collected your 10 feathers and 20 souls of flight, head to a tinkerer's workshop. This crafting station is crucial for combining these materials into your new wings. At the workshop, simply place the feathers and the souls of flight into the crafting interface. You'll then be able to craft either angel wings or demon wings, both offering excellent flight capabilities for early game progression. With your new wings, you'll experience a dramatic improvement in your character's mobility. You can now fly for several seconds, making exploration much easier and helping you evade enemies. Wings are incredibly useful for traversing challenging biomes and during boss encounters. As you progress, you can even combine your wings with other accessories at the Tinkerer's workshop to create more powerful versions with additional benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.